Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class 5th. Subject mathematics. This is our chapter 1, numbers and numeration, and it is our revision lecture 2. Are you revising the lectures carefully? You have to listen very carefully. The questions which we are discussing in these lectures you have to do in practice notebook and also be regular in doing your homework. Today's subtopics are estimation. Estimation is also known as rounding of numbers, number patterns, and the practice sums related to estimation and number patterns. In rounding of numbers, we will do the questions related to rounding off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, etc. as these are given in our syllabus. Let's start with our first topic, estimation. A large number may be rounded off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, etc. So, first of all, we will start rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off means होता है अंदाजा लगाना, अनुमान लगाना. Let's understand by an example. Suppose you have purchased a dress and the cost of that dress is 894 rupees. So if somebody is asking you कि आपकी ड्रेस की कॉस्ट कितनी है, आपने कितने रुपए की खरीदी है, then you don't say that 894 rupees. You say 1000 रुपए की है ना, और you say it is approximately 800 rupees cost or approximately 900 rupees cost. What is this approximate? This is estimation. What we do? We do estimation if the digits are given like this. Similarly, suppose your father has purchased a car and cost of that car is 8,45,390 rupees. And somebody asks कि आपकी कार की कॉस्ट क्या है, then you generally say 8.5 लाख की है, 8,50,000. So this is estimation. What you have done? Estimation. Okay. So let's start with question number 1. Round off to the nearest 10. Say this numeral. Write down the places first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. And now write down the digits here and read the number 1,57,924. We have to round off to the nearest 10. The rule says when we are going to round off to the nearest 10, we have to see the digit at ones place. Means just write to the tens place. Say this digit. And our rule is saying that if the digit at ones place is equal to or more than 5, then there will be the ones place will become 0 and tens place will increase by 1 and remaining digits will remain same, no change in other places. Okay, listen the rule again carefully. अगर ones place का digit 5 या 5 से बड़ा है, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 इनमें से अगर कोई है तो ये डिजिट 0 हो जाएगा और टेंस प्लेस 1 इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड. अगर वंस प्लेस का डिजिट 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 यानी कि लेस देन 5 है तो अगेन इन इस केस में भी वंस प्लेस का डिजिट 0 हो जाएगा, बट क्योंकि ये लेस देन 5 है तो टेंस प्लेस में नो चेंज. ओके. So this rule is applied in our question. So ones place digit is 4. 4 will become 0 and 2 will be written as such only because there is no change and remaining digits will be written same. So our answer will become 1,57,920. Let's understand again with the next question. Round off the given numeral to the nearest 10. Write down the places first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And then write down the digits. After writing the digits, read the number 62,75,985. Okay. Round off to the nearest 10 will be written on this arrow of OFF. Okay. Nearest 10. So once tens, just right of tens place, you are getting 5. So 5 will become 0 and 8 will increase by 1. 8 एक बढ़ जाएगा, that will become 9. So our answer will become, remaining digits will be written in the same way. So our answer will become 62,75,990. Got it? Now our next question. Round off the given numeral to the nearest 100. Write down the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now write down the digits and read the number. 62,75,435. Put arrow mark. Round off to the nearest 100. So now ones, tens, 100. See, just right of the 100. That is tens place. Digit at tens place is 3, which is less than 5. So 3 will become 0. This 5 will become 0. And there will be no change in 4. So our answer will become 62,75,400. Understood? Because we are going to check this tens place, so ones place will become 0. And there will be no change in these digits. Clear? Next question. Round off the given numeral to the nearest 100. So now what is the numeral? First of all, write down the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But many times in almost all the questions I am going to write down places. But what you do when you submit the homework, you don't write down the places. You don't put this arrow mark. You don't write on the arrow that round off to the nearest 100. These things are necessary. अगर मैम लिख रही है तो आप क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हो? You have to write down. So after writing the places, you have written the digits. Now read this number. 62,75,370. Round off to the nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. 100, just right of 100 there is 7. 7 is more than 5. More than 5 तो change होगा 100 place में 7 will become 0 and 3 will become 4. Okay, and our answer will become 62,75,400. Got it? Next question is round off 62,75,985 to the nearest 1000. So write down the places, write down the digit. Now the number will become 62,75,985. Put the arrow mark, round off to the nearest 1000. Now it is nearest 1000. So start reading. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Just right of 1000. You are getting 9, which is more than 5. So 9 will become 0. And 5 will become 6. Okay. This 8 and 5 will also become 0. So our answer will become 62,76,000. Next question. Round off 62,75,326 to the nearest 10,000. Now write down the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Write down the digits. Okay. Now round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay. So start reading ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. At 10,000 there is 7. See, just right of 10,000. 5. 5 will become 0. Okay, because if the number is If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then it will become 0 and the digit at 10,000 place will increase by 1. So 5 will become 0, 7 will become 8, 3, 2 and 6 will also become 0. So our answer will become 62,80,000. Next practice question. Round off 62,75,985 to the nearest lakh. Write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Write down the digits. Okay. Now put the arrow mark. Round off to the nearest lakh. You will write down on the arrow, above the arrow. Now we have to round off to the nearest lakh. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Just right of the lakh, 7 is there. 7 will become 0, 2 will become 3, no change for 6 and these all will become 0. So our answer will become 63 lakh. Simple questions hai beta. Only keep the rule in your mind. Next question. Round off the given numeral to the nearest 10 lakh. So write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 62 lakh, 75,326. Okay, write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then write down the digits. Okay, 62 lakh, 75,326. Put arrow mark. Round off to the nearest 10 lakh. Okay. So now read this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh, there is 6. Just right to the 10 lakh, you are getting 2, which is less than 5. So no change. 2 will become 0. These all will become 0. And 6 will be written same, 6 only. So our answer will become 60 lakh. Okay. Now we will start number patterns. In number patterns, we will study square numbers and triangular numbers. So let's start with square numbers. Square number is a number multiplied by itself. जब हम किसी नंबर को खुद उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें स्क्वायर नंबर मिल जाता है. Like 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, 2 multiply 2, 4, 3 multiply 3, 4, 3 multiply 3, 9. So these are the square numbers. The pattern of square numbers is, this is the pattern: 1, 4, 9, 16. Have you seen 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, dash, dash, dash and so on. It is a square numbers pattern. Okay. The question can come in this way, like complete the series 16, 25, 36, 49, dash and dash. So you have to complete the series. You see here 16, it is 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So these are the square numbers. Next will be 8 8s are 64. Next will be 9 9s are 81. Got it? Triangular numbers. The numbers required to complete a triangle are called triangular numbers. जो नंबर ट्रायंगल को कंप्लीट करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, जरूरत होती है जिनकी, they are known as triangular numbers. See this series 1, 3, 6, 10, dash, 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 etc. These show the pattern of triangular numbers. Now let's understand this. What is this? 1, 3, 6, 10. Look here. Triangular pattern. 1. Then ट्रायंगल को कंप्लीट करेगा. सो 1 के नीचे अगर आप 2 डॉट लगा देंगे तो ये आपको ट्रायंगुलर शेप दिख रही है ना बेटा. सो 1 + 2 3. सो नेक्स्ट 1 2 3. यहाँ तक तो हमारे पास पहले था. नाउ 1 2 3 more dots when you are going to put, then it will become a triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 6. So next is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. स्क्वायर नंबर में हमने खुद से वो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया था, और ट्रायंगुलर में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, द नंबर्स विच आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द ट्रायंगल आर ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स. गॉट इट? दिस इज द वे. One more way is there how we can write down. Look here. In this way also triangle can be completed. 1, then 1 below this 2. It is again a triangle. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First लाइन में 1 डॉट है, सेकेंड में 2, नेक्स्ट में 3, अब नेक्स्ट में 4 हो जाएंगे, देन नेक्स्ट में 5 हो जाएंगे. सो इट इज गिविंग यू the triangle. It is going to complete the triangle. Okay. So what we have seen in triangular pattern, that the numbers were written as 1, 3, 6, 10, 1 dot, then 3 dots, then 6 dots, then 10 dots, next are 15 dots, comma, dash. So 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. In this way, this is a series of triangular numbers. The question can come in the form like 1, 3, 6, 10, dash and dash. And you have to write down the answers. Okay. See, these are the questions given in your book. Complete the following pattern. Question number 5. This is a pattern which you have to complete. So look here how we have to complete the pattern. Pattern को आपने समझना है बड़े ध्यान से बेटा. If you have understood the pattern, it can be completed very easily. So look here. Look here in this pattern. 1 into 1, 1 dot dot बेटा यहाँ multiply शो कर रहा है. 11 into 11, 11 into 11, here it is written 1 to 1, that is 121. आपको मल्टीप्लाई करने की नहीं है ज़रूरत, आपको पैटर्न को पहचानना है. 1, then 11, then 111, then 1111. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, 1 1 इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. सेम इज हियर. एंड लुक हियर, 1, then 1 to 1. नाउ 1 to 1 is become 1 2 3 to 1, means 1 to 2 1, और बीच में क्या आ गया 3. नाउ 1 2 3 3 to 1, और बीच में क्या आ गया 4. 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1, and here in the between 5. So this is the pattern which you have to complete. आपको इतनी बड़ी कैलकुलेशंस नहीं करनी है, पहचानना है पैटर्न को. So look here, fill-ups are given. Before the fill-up you see 1 2 3 4 5, 5 4 3 2 1, and in between there is 6. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 5 4 3 2 1, and with 6 there will be 7. 7 एक बार आएगा, बाकी सारा रिपीट हो रहा है बट रिवर्स हो गया. नेक्स्ट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. जो यहाँ पे हमने 7 तक लिखा, फिर उसको वहां से रिवर्स लिख दिया. एंड इन दोनों के बीच में क्या था 8. नाउ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. देन 8 था ना, 8 से रिवर्स हो गया. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 9 will be written one time only. So this is the pattern which you can understand if you concentrate. Now see here, one more pattern is there. Here also you have to complete it. These two places you have to fill yourself. Pattern is there 1, then 1 1, then 1 to 1. 1 1 के बाद 1 to 1 कैसे आया? See 1 plus 1 2, 1 और 1 दोनों साइड पे 1 आ रहे हैं हमारे, राइट. और बिटवीन में क्या किया इसने, बीच में इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. 1 plus 1 2. नाउ 1, then 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, और लास्ट में 1. अब क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट, 1 will be written first. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. And 1 will be written at last again. Again, you will start with 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. And at last there will be again 1. So pattern is completed now. You have to understand it. Now look here at the HOTS questions which we have already done. Now we are going to revise it again. Look here at first question. A and B parts you have to observe, and according to that you have to fill this C part. Look here. 4 3s are 12. 7 8s are 56. So 5 6 are 30. Understood? Now see this next question. 2 5 8 5 9 13 17 21. बेटा आपको ये पैटर्न को पहचानना है कि क्या रिलेशन आ रहा है. Only then you will be able to give the answer here. Look here. 2 to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. यानी कि फर्स्ट लाइन में 3 3 ऐड किया है. Then see the next line. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 4 17. 17 plus 4 21. In first line 3 is added. In second line 4 is added. Third line 5 is added. 3 plus 5 8. Fourth line 6 is added. And last line 7 is added. So 4 plus 7. Here will be 11 in your answer. And 11 plus 7 18. Got it? Now question number 3. Replace the question mark with appropriate number 1 and 2. इन दो को ऑब्जर्व करना है. Then you will fill your answer here on this question mark. 20 divided by 4 will give the question 5. Similarly here 15 divided by 3 give the question 5. 4 divided by 1 give the question 4. 16 divided by 4 give the question 4. It means डिवीजन करनी है आपको वर्टिसेस पे लिखे हुए नंबर के और क्वोशिएंट लिखना है बीच में. सो 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 क्वोशिएंट इज 6. 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 क्वोशिएंट इज 6. One time you will write down 6 in between. So these are based on the pattern. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is 2 assignment of chapter 1 in notebook. You have to do your assignment in your practice notebook in very neat handwriting. Right? Homework discussion of revision lecture 1. Open your notebooks and match your answers. Are these correct or not? Question number 1. A and B parts were given. Write the number names according to Indian place value chart. So your first question A part. Check your answer. Make it sure that you have written the places according to Indian place value chart. If not written, then definitely marks will be deducted. Be careful. Check your answer. 1 crore 45 lakh 37,619. Okay. Now the second part, B part. 5 crore 17,009. Question number 2 also A and B parts were given. Write the numerals. 20 crore 29 lakh 70,717. 8 crore 13 lakh 40,012. So both are in Indian system. So write down the places first according to Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. Have you written? Written? Then it's okay. If no, then you will do correction work 2 times. Now check your answer. 20 crore 29 lakh 70,717. B part 8 crore 13 lakh 40,012. Write the number names according to International Place Value Chart. A and B parts were given. Commas are inserted, so it's very clear. If you have written the places, it's very good. If not written, see, you can directly tell. See, this is ones period, then thousand period and million period. Okay. If you are able to concentrate and to find out the answer correctly, then you can write down. आप कॉमा से पहचान करके लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise, write down the places. Writing places is very important. So in first part, you got that 9,682,340, and second part 70,707,007. You can write down the numerals in this way also. अगर आपको कॉमा से नहीं पता चलता exactly, better you write down the places, then definitely you will get the correct answer. Question number 4. Write the numerals was given. A and B parts. 90,000,009. So write down the places, and then 99,000,000. 90,000,009 is not that, it's 99,000,000. So check your answer. Next is 65,006,602. 65,006,602. Question number 5. A and B parts were given. Write the number names. A part, the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number का number name लिखना है आपको. So 8-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is 1 crore. Smallest 9-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Smallest 8-digit number and 9-digit number, you know na. You will write down 1 and then 7 zeros. 1 and then 8 zeros here. Then number name will be 1 crore, and here for 9-digit number it's 10 crore. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.